All right, this is the setup video for bulk Koala images inside of Google Sheets. What this was is I'm trying to remake my version over here in AI tables inside of Google Sheets. So I was told they just wanted to paste stuff in and create stuff. Now the Google Sheets one isn't going to be exactly like this because you can't upload images into Google Sheets cells. So I did have to opt for links, unfortunately, but that's a limitation with Google Sheets in general. And then obviously when you do more than one, it doesn't show up as links, which is also annoying. And as far as I'm aware, there's no way around that. So it's not going to be quite this good, but it is still going to work. You just come over here on the prompt side. You can just copy and paste your stuff and then click create here. You can click as many as you want. As far as I know, you can click as fast as you want and it'll just start populating them in. You can choose your models up here. This is all your settings. You can choose how many you want to run. Yeah, see, they're already in. You can choose how many you want to run at a time. You can do 10 at a time, 20 at a time, 100 at a time if you really want to. Just keep in mind it's going to show up in a list like this instead of links because you can't have more than one link in a cell on Google Sheets. At least I'm not aware of a way to do it. I'm sure it's possible. But you can select your style. You can select your aspect ratios. And the reason it's color-coded is if you're using GPT models, you have to use the blue. If you're using any of the other models like Premium or Standard or Ideogram, they have all of the aspect ratios, so you can use any of them. But with the GPT models, you have to have the blue. That's why I color-coded it. You can turn on Enhance Prompt or you can leave it off. I went ahead and included that. It wasn't asked for or anything, but I figured it was probably something that would be nice to have. I do have a logs page over here, so it's going to show you if there's an error. Hopefully it's going to tell you exactly what the error is. I think I logged all the possibilities, so it should show exactly what the issue is. And then if you already have something in the spot, like you've already created something, it will not recreate it. So you're not going to, just waste a bunch of stuff by clicking this a bunch of times. It won't create it. It'll do something like this. It'll say skip because column C is not empty. Yeah, see, I just clicked it a bunch of times and it popped those in. So you can have nice little logs over here on everything. Yeah, so let's get to the setup process. Yeah, so you're going to click and you're going to click the share file. That's going to bring you to this here. And obviously you're not going to have access to it, so you're going to have to make a copy. Click make copy. And then bam, this is what you're going to have. The app script should already be in there. I believe they come with all copies. I could be wrong. I've never actually shared a Google Sheet with an app script already running. So if that's an issue and it doesn't work, let me know. But yeah, so there's that, and then we got to go to make, log into your make account, and this is what we're going to set up. So go to your scenarios here, click create from scratch, and then the blueprint file, which should be, you should have access to it. I'm probably going to leave it in the description and the comments down below, just in case somebody else wants to use the same thing as well. So you're just going to download that and then click import and then find that file on your computer. Save. And it's going to open this up. To set this up, you have to create a custom webhook. This is going to show up as a button for you unless you already have pre-made webhooks like I do. But when you click the button, it's going to pop this up. You can rename it whatever you want, like literally whatever you want. Here's a spam one I had. And then there's the webhook. So you need to copy that, come back over to your copy, come to this field here, and just paste it in. Boom. So we're done here until we're ready to actually build stuff. All right, next up, you're going to save it. Next up is the Koala API key. API key here. And where you're going to get that is you're going to go to Koala account and just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Just take this and just slide all the way down. And you'll be able to grab your API key. And then you just paste that in settings here. Click save. And then you're going to come over here. Last one. Click Google Sheets. And you're going to have to create a connection. There'll be a button here that is to create a connection. And it's going to pop up. You're going to name the connection. And then you're going to just sign into your Google account. That's it. After you do all that, hit save. And then you're going to go back. We're going to discard all changes because I've already done it all. And then you're just going to, after you save it, you're going to come back. And then you're going to click this button up here. It's going to show as off. So you're going to click it on. Yeah, it's going to show it like this when you save it and back out. And then you're just going to click it on. And then you should be good to go. So you just paste in your prompts over here. Oops. I guess I didn't have my prompts, but yeah. You paste in your prompts over here, and then you just click create. So what this does is it sends all the settings and the prompt to this webhook here. That webhook leads to here, and then it runs this automation flow. And then this sends the link back to your Google Sheet. It's that simple. So hopefully you like it. If you have any questions, just post in the comments of this video or in the chat thread that I'm posting this in. It should be on the Koala Discord channel unless this gets taken down. I don't know. This could kind of be considered self-promotion, so hopefully not. If that's the case, Connor, let me know. I'll take it down myself. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully this helps, and enjoy. See ya.